In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared calendar ICS URL to Google Calendar. If you've ever received a shared calendar and are not quite sure how to integrate it into your own Google Calendar, you're in the right place. We're here to guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, let's start by getting hold of that ICS URL. The ICS link is essentially the key that lets you unlock access to the calendar that's been shared with you. The person sharing the calendar should provide you with this link. It's typically sent via email or shared through other platforms. Make sure you've copied the link without any extra spaces at the start or end, just to ensure it's ready to be pasted later. Next, head over to Google Calendar, which you can easily access by going to calendar.google.com in your web browser and signing in if you're not already logged into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, look to your left for the navigation panel. Here you'll find a small plus sign adjacent to the Other Calendar section. Click that plus sign and you'll see an option labeled From URL. Click on From URL, which will open up a text box just waiting for your input. Now simply take the ICS URL you copied earlier and paste it into the empty box. Make sure it's the exact link you received without any alterations or spaces. Once you've pasted it correctly, you'll see the option Add Calendar. Hit that button and Google Calendar will start the process of integrating the shared calendar for you. Once the calendar is successfully added, it's time to verify that everything is in place. Back on the left sidebar of the Google Calendar interface under Other Calendars, you'll now see the newly added calendar. All the events from the ICS file should now be visible in your Google Calendar view. These events will seamlessly integrate with any existing calendars you may already have in Google Calendar. It's important to note that this setup results in a read-only sync. This means you'll be able to see all the events from the shared ICS calendar, but you won't have the ability to make changes to them directly in your Google Calendar. Additionally, be aware that updates from the original ICS file might take a few hours to reflect, so patience is essential. So there you have it. A straightforward method to add a shared calendar using an ICS URL to your Google Calendar. This process ensures you can view and plan around the calendar shared with you without any of the fuss. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this has made managing your schedules a little easier.